Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two all-season tire titans, the Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6 and the newly introduced Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3. These tires are vying for the top spot in the European all-season tire market. Let's break down their performance across various conditions to help you decide which tire is the right fit for your needs. Let's start with wet performance. The Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6 has a slight edge in wet braking, stopping in just 33.2 meters from 80 to 5 kilometers per hour. That's 2.3 meters shorter than the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3. However, the Pirelli fights back with better wet handling, completing our test lap a second faster and achieving a perfect score of 10 out of 10 in subjective handling. It also outperforms the Bridgestone in straight-line aquaplaning resistance, showcasing superior safety in heavy rain. Now, on to snow performance. The Bridgestone takes the lead in snow braking, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the Pirelli. But when it comes to snow traction and handling, the Pirelli shines brighter. It accelerates faster and navigates our snow-covered circuit over 3 seconds quicker than the Bridgestone. Drivers also preferred the feel of the Pirelli in snowy conditions, rating it higher in subjective handling. When driving on ice, every meter counts. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 stops quicker and accelerates faster than the Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6, making it a safer choice for icy roads. Durability is where the Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6 really stands out. It has a remarkable wear life of 44,499 kilometers, which is 10,758 kilometers more than the Pirelli. This means fewer replacements and potentially more savings over the tire's lifespan. In dry conditions, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 outperforms the Bridgestone in both braking and handling. It stops 1.2 meters shorter and completes our dry handling lap quicker. Drivers also gave it a perfect score in subjective handling, indicating superior confidence and control on dry roads. When it comes to noise, both tires are nearly identical. The Bridgestone is marginally quieter, but the difference is negligible at just 0.1 decibels. Rolling resistance affects fuel efficiency, and here the Pirelli has the upper hand. Its lower rolling resistance means better fuel economy, which is a plus for environmentally conscious drivers. To summarize, the Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6 excels in longevity and wet or snow braking efficiency. On the other hand, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 excels in handling in wet and dry conditions and has enhanced ice performance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.